Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following question based on the graph of a parabola and a straight line. We have to determine the coordinates of b, the equation of fx, the coordinates of the turning point, and so on as shown in the question. Please don't forget to click on the like and the subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. We have the straight line with equation 3y equals x minus 5 intersects fx at the point B. As shown, the points A and B are x-intercepts of fx. The point D is a point on fx. The first part of the question says, determine the coordinates of B, as shown. Note that we've been told that the point A, -2, 0, and B are the x-intercepts of fx. So therefore, I'm going to use the equation of a straight line. That's 3x. Start with 3y. I'm going to correct that. Equals x minus 5. And note that at point B, as shown, the value at B, the coordinates of y is equal to 0. So therefore, to find the x coordinates, we're going to substitute y equals to 0 in our equation. So we have 3 times 0 equals x minus 5. 0 equals x minus 5. Therefore, the value of x equals to 5. So therefore, writing the coordinates of B, we have x is 5 and y is 0. Let's go to the second part of the question. The second part of the question says, determine the equation of fx, that's the parabola, in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Because we've been given the equation as a quadratic equation, I'm going to use the x-intercept formula. And the x-intercept formula is, we have your y equals a in bracket x minus r1, x minus r2, where my r1 and r2 are the x-intercept. If you go back to the diagram, the x-intercepts are your a and your b. So therefore, the value of x, I have y equals a into bracket x minus r1, the first intercept, that's -2. So I have that is minus 2, multiplying x minus r2 is the second intercept, that's 5. So I have that is minus 5. If I rewrite that, that's a in bracket x plus 2 x minus 5. So therefore, to find the value of a, I'm going to pick a point on the parabola and substitute for x and y. If I go back to the diagram, the point I'm going to use is the point D, because point D lies on the parabola. So therefore, substituting, I'm going to substitute the point D, which is -1 and 3 for my x and y. So I have y to be 3 equals a in bracket. I have -1 plus 2 multiplying -1 minus 5. Simplifying, 3 equals a in bracket 1, that's -1 plus 2. -1 minus 5, that's -6. I have 3 equals -6a. And dividing both sides by -6a, I have a equals -1/2. So therefore, putting that back into my equation, I have, substituting back into this equation, I have y equals a -1/2 Then I have my x plus 2 and x minus 5. If I expand, I have that as minus 1 over 2. That I'm going to FOIL. That would be x squared minus 3x minus 10. That's y, and therefore the final equation will be y. I'm going to use my minus 1 over 2 to multiply all the content of the bracket. So that will be minus 1 over 2 x squared plus minus 1 over 2 times minus 3. That will be plus 3 over 2x plus 5. So therefore, I've been able to write the equation in the format given. Let's go to the third part of the question. The third part of the question says, give the coordinates of the turning point. I'm going to call that TP, that's turning point, of f of x. We have, from the previous question, y equals minus 1 over 2x squared plus 3 over 2x plus 5. That's the equation of the parabola. So we have the coefficient of x squared, that's a, the coefficient of x, b, and the constant term is c. So therefore, at turning point, that's at TP, the coordinate of x equals minus b over 2a. I'm going to do a substitution. Minus b, that's minus 3 over 2. I'm going to use divided by because it's a fraction. 2 times, in bracket, minus 1 over 2. That's the value of our a. That will be minus 3 over 2 divided by, I have negative 1. And if I change that into multiplication, that's minus 3 over 2 times 1 over negative 1. So therefore, the x coordinate is going to be positive 3 over 2. Now to find, because I'm trying to look for the coordinate of the turning point, to find the y coordinate, I'm going to substitute x equals 3 over 2 into our equation. So therefore, we have y equals minus 1 over 2. I'm substituting for x as 3 over 2 squared, all squared, plus 3 over 2, substituting for x again, 3 over 2, plus 5. We just need to simplify at this stage. So we have that as minus 9 over 8 plus 9 over 8 plus 5 over 1. And if I work that out, I have y equals 49 over 8. Therefore, the coordinates of the turning point, that's your TP, will be x values 3 over 2 and my y value, that's 49 over 8. Let's look at the next question. The next question says, point E is a point on the straight line so that the line DE is parallel to the y-axis. We have to determine the length of DE. If it's parallel to the y-axis, I'm going to have my point somewhere around here. I have point E, and because it's parallel to the y-axis, I have the coordinates of the x to be -1. Then I need to find my y coordinate. So therefore, I have x, the point E, as a coordinate of -1, and y because it's parallel to the y-axis. So therefore, x equals to -1 at that point. The equation of the line is 3y equal x minus 5. So I'm going to replace my x with -1. So I have 3y equals -1, -5, 3y equals to negative 6. Therefore, my y, dividing both sides by 3, it's negative 2. So therefore, e is negative 1 and negative 2. That's the coordinate of e. To find the total distance, as shown, we're going to have, therefore, the length DE is equal to, I have the distance from my E, I have that this point to the origin, that's 2 units, and the remaining distance is 3. So I have that as 2 plus 3, which is 5 units. What I've done is, from this distance is 2 units, and then the other distance is 3 units. 3 plus 2 is 5. Let's look at the last part of the question. The last question says, h of x is a reflection of 3y equals x minus 5 about the x-axis. We have to give the equation of h of x. So it's reflecting about 3y equals x minus 5. Reflection about x-axis, then the coordinate of the y changes to negative y. So therefore, I'm going to first of all make y the subject of formula by dividing both sides by 3. So I have y equals x minus 5 divided by 3. And if I reflect, that is going to be, I'm going to separate that. That's x over 3 minus 5 over 3. So therefore, my reflection, y equals negative, I have x over 3 minus 5 over 3. So therefore, h of x will be negative x over 3 plus 5 over 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.